Today I'm showing you how I took my hair from this crazy frizzy mess to this nice sleek straight style. I can't wait to share it with you guys.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I woke up and chose violence. Why did I wake up and choose violence, you may ask? Well, today we are committing the sin of all curly hair sins. We are straightening my curly hair. Oh yeah, we are doing it. This was sent to me by the brand TYMO. It is their ring hair straightening comb, and it's been a hot minute since I have straightened out my curly locks. So it's time. I'm ready for a change. And just in case you need a little reminder, this is what my naturally curly hair looks like. Roll the tape. Listen, there is just something about changing up my hair every once in a blue moon. And when I say once in a blue moon, I'm talking about like maybe once, maybe twice a year, I will straighten out my hair. And it's just fun to see myself in a different light, right? And I do quickly want to say thank you to TYMO for sponsoring today's video. They did send me this product and I'm super excited to test it out. So let's just break this little bad boy open and see what she looks like, what's inside. Inside we have this beautiful little velvety pouch that actually has the hair straightening brush in it. Here's what she looks like. Okay, right off the gate, I love the design of this. This is so pretty. I love this pale pink, and it is in the shape of a brush, so it should be pretty easy to straighten your hair out. This pack also came with a cute little, excuse me. This pack also came with a cute little detangling brush and a hot tool glove. That way we don't burn ourselves, and I still love that it's pink. Also came with two little clips so that you can section off your hair. Let's quickly go over some of the features of this hair straightening brush. It does have 5 temperature settings. I really love that because you can adjust it to your hair type. So if you have finer hair, you want to use a lower temperature. If you have coarser, thicker hair, then you're going to use it at a higher temperature setting. This goes from 266 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. This also has a 60-second fast heat up, which I love because I don't have time to waste. So you get to use this really, really quickly. Another amazing feature of this is that it has a 30-minute auto shut off, which is really great for me because I am a busy woman and sometimes I forget to turn things off. So that's really important. A huge plus for me is that it has a 360-degree swivel cord. This to me is like essential for hot tools because that way you're not getting all tangled up when you're in the middle of trying to straighten your hair and you're going from side to side. If it doesn't have that swivel, then you get all tangled up, and I don't have time for that. So I love that. This also has an auto temperature lock, which I really love because that way you're not going to accidentally change the temperature in the middle of you straightening your hair. I'm not always the greatest at reading directions, but I did read the directions, and it says that you're to dry your hair first, and then you simply slide the comb through your hair from root to tip at a moderate pace, and that's literally it. Like, that sounds way too easy and too good to be true, but we're gonna see if it's really too good to be true. I have washed my hair. I am gonna go rough dry it, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, folks, we are rough dried, and this is what we are working with. Let's see the back. This hair straightening brush definitely has its work cut out for it. Okay, in reading the directions, it does recommend for thick, curly, or wavy hair to use this at 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I did use a very good heat protectant, so that way I'm not gonna have any heat damage. And so I've turned it on. This is the power button. It is already heated up. It only takes 60 seconds, which is crazy. There is 5 little dots, if you can see, 5 little lights right here. This is level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All 5 dots are lit up because I do have it at the highest setting. Before we get started with the straightening, I am going to go ahead and just section off my hair. Okay, we are sectioned off. I like to do mine in 5 different sections. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I did spray a little extra heat protectant just to be on the safe side. And we're just going to go in with the, oh, I forgot the glove. Hold on. All right, here we go. You're supposed to just be able to do this just like a brush. So I'm just going to, oh, it's hot. I can feel the heat. Okay. Let's just do another little quick pass. Okay, that, come on now, that was good. Okay, and we've got a nice little shine to it. Okay, let's continue. I'm not even gonna lie, this is like a little too good to be true. Okay, you see how frizzy this piece is, okay? Just as easy as a brush, we're gonna put that in there. And we're just gonna take our time going down to the ends of the hair. Y'all, what the? Okay, that's easy. I do this back section. I'm gonna spray a little more heat protectant. I always like to start at the bottom of that section and then work my way up. It's just easier for me to do it like that. Oh my gosh, this is so easy.
Another thing I really loved about this straightening brush is that you can really get right at the roots and you don't feel like you're burning your scalp. I love that.
Okay, listen, the glove had to come off. I don't like the feel of that rubber like pulling at my hair, so that had to come off, but this is literally the easiest thing I think I've ever done. Like, what the heck? I think I've done this whole section in like 2 minutes. Okay, here is this whole side done. Look at the shine. It feels so, so good. Let's let down the other side and compare. So this is, it's getting curly again, but okay, wow. I love this. Go ahead and finish my hair and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, we are back and I've done my whole head and I feel like this did such a great job. Now, typically I would go in with like a big barrel curling iron, but for this to be just like one quick pass of this little brush, I am super, super impressed. I am gonna go in with a little bit of the Smoothing and Nourishing Hair Oil from TYMO. Let's do just a little bit of that just to add a little shine back. And let's see what our finished product is. One thing I will say about this is that I definitely need to trim my ends. My ends were getting a little tangly and I can tell like I am definitely overdue for a trim. So this is actually probably a good little test. Okay, here is what we are looking like. I really love the shine. Took out all the frizz. And my hair is so long. Oh my gosh. My final thoughts on the Ring TYMO hair straightening brush. I love this, y'all. I think it worked amazing. I feel like it was super easy to use. Even a beginner, someone that doesn't really know how to do hair, would be able to use this with ease. Like literally, if you know how to brush your hair, then you're gonna be able to use this. I love how fast it heats up. I love that I was able to really straighten my hair with just one pass. That's really important so that you don't cause that heat damage. I love the design of it. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful product. Would look gorgeous just sitting on someone's counter. Overall, I really, really love this, y'all. So this gets the thumbs up for me. This definitely gets the thumbs up for me, and I will definitely use this again. I do have a discount for this product linked in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. But y'all, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I love it. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know how you liked it. Listen, you don't have to let me know that you love my curly hair over straight hair because we already know this. People come in and comment every single time I straighten my hair. Oh my God, I can't believe you would straighten your hair because I love your curls. Your curls are so much prettier. I don't straighten my hair because I think my curls are ugly, okay? I straighten my hair because I want a little change up. That's literally it. The same way that people with straight hair want to curl their hair because they get sick of it being straight all the time. That's literally all it is. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this straightening brush. I'm impressed, y'all. Okay, I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.